Those smoked salmon roll will serve you as a joyful Christmas appetizer or as a breakfast. Stick around with me and let's do this. Welcome back to my channel. If this is your first time here, my name is Annie Krieger, and to my returning subscribers, thank you all so much for tuning in once again. Now today we'll be making an easy smoked salmon roll. Very simple recipe but delicious. You can have this as an appetizer, a joyful appetizer, or you can have it as a super delicious breakfast. Okay, it's holiday season and we want to make everybody happy at home. I hope you enjoy watching this video and I hope you like the recipe too. Now for today's recipe for our smoked salmon, the first on our list is zucchini. Now you want to get your cleaned zucchini. Go ahead and use your vegetable cutter or a knife just as I've displayed in this video. The most important thing is getting your zucchini or cutting your zucchini very thin. It is for a purpose. Next, you will go ahead, brush up a pan with any type of oil and lightly roast your zucchini both sides. To you that is still watching, I will say a very big thank you for doing so. Please support this channel by hitting the like button if you haven't done so, and I will say a big thank you. Thank you so much for doing so. Now, after achieving this nice, good looking, lightly roasted zucchini, so you will set that aside and let it completely cool down. Now, to our smoked salmon roll, we will need some cream cheese. And for that, my favorite brand is Philadelphia cream cheese. You can go for any brand of your choice. I love this brand because there's nothing much to do. All I will do here is add in some lemon juice and lemon zest. This is because we need some acidity or some sourness for our salmon. You want to generously mix that. Make sure you are satisfied it is perfect. I have Chiefs cream cheese Philadelphia, so I don't need any herbs in here. If you're going for a plain Philadelphia cream cheese, you should add in some chives or some fresh herbs. Then set this aside for now. If you are still watching to this time, thank you so much for sticking around with me. I truly appreciate. And if you haven't subscribed to my channel, there is nothing to lose, guys. Please go ahead and hit the subscribe button and join this family. There's nothing to lose. You only benefit from all these amazing recipes. Don't forget to hit the notification bell just to be among the first person to be notified. Thank you so much for doing so. This is the main component for today's recipe. I already sliced smoked salmon. What I just did now is wet my working surface with a wet hand, just small amount of water, and then spread out my plastic foil. The wet floor will stop the plastic foil from pulling out, okay? At this point, you want to layer out your smoked salmon slice just like so, but do not worry about those spaces. The zucchini will cover up the space. It's also good for the zucchini to be in picture after rolling out. Here we have a good looking spread out smoked salmon and roasted zucchini. It is time to add in your cream cheese. Now you want to first drop those cream cheese at every part, every end, and then use a spatula. Take your time and generously spread out. At first, your smoked salmon will be longer than expected, but this is the point you want to bring them together, okay? Rolling them out will fall back into a smaller shape. You will use your hand and form it just to have that size that you want for a rolled out smoked salmon. The good thing about smoked salmon roll is that you can make them ahead and make your day a stress-free celebration day or a stress-free time together with your family. Now, after rolling out mine, what I did is just bring to the fridge and let it stay till the next day. Now, a day after, this is what my smoked salmon roll looks like. It looks very compact at this time. It's easier to cut and looks super delicious. This is my favorite part. Make it a little bit high catchy. The highs eat along. So what I did is go in with some sliced hard cooked egg, go in with some lemon cooked egg, and salmons are good friends. Lemon is perfect for fish. Do something with the rest of those cream cheese. I went in with some dill, some frozen dill. I didn't have any fresh one. Dill and salmon, smoked salmons are also best of friend, and that's it, guys. I have baguette, cut baguette bread to pair with it. Now you can portion for your family as an appetizer or just put on the table and everybody will have a cut of it. Thank you all so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed watching this video and you like the recipe. Please don't forget to hit the like button. Don't forget to leave your opinion in the comment section and see you all in my next one. Bye for now.